Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is commercial LG brand commercial dryer. It's having problem with the machine while running machine with the load. It's making huge noise. I can show you. Now I'm going to on the machine. You can see here the noise. This one I select 10 minutes. And you can hear the noise, this huge abnormal noise from the machine. Now we have to check what is the problem exactly. We will remove the machine and we will check. Now we have to remove the top cover. This one here only two locks, no screws are here. We can take like that. See, we can take like that. Pull out. It will come. Here lock only. We can take it out. Now we have to remove the front here. Front panel. Here two screws will come. Now we can take it like that. You can see here. We will disconnect this two. And we can keep one side here safety. Cover. And now we can take it like that. Okay, now I already removed the screws. Now I can take it out here. Now door switch, we have to disconnect the door switch power here. It's like that. Now we can take it out. Now we are while running drum by hand, also is making loud noise. We will remove and check. We have to remove this. Okay, but we have to get this out of the only and this also here. Also. Now we can take it out. Here, we keep. Now we can take. You can remove like that. Now we can check. You can see here is noise coming. This one is bad noise, but this one no issue. But this is actually we have to replace. Also we will take the drum out. We can take the drum out now. First we have to remove the belt from the pulley, adjustable pulley. Yes, I remove here pulley. Now I release the belt. Now we can take the drum out. Now I can check You can see, my dear, here this wheel also gone, that's why it's making loud noise. See now, this is already gone and this is okay. This drum roller, this one and other one, we have to remove this two rollers already. Here this one also, this one also. This is okay, but this two we have to replace. See, it is totally damaged. We have to change new one. Now the problem I found this one, this shaft also, drum roller shaft also broken, damaged. Here one side is already gone because this one while turning time is that one damaged. If you are replacing only the roller, it will get damaged again. Because of that we have to replace this shaft also. Because of that we have to remove this set. After that we will replace and we will check. We have to remove these screws. After that it will come out. Now all the screws I remove here, and now I have to remove heater because otherwise we cannot take. Now we can take it here like that. After that very easy to take this mount. Now you can see this shaft is already damaged here. Because of that we have to remove this one. Here this side already gone. Now we can remove and fix another one. Now see, this one already one side gone. We cannot use anymore this one because other roller also will get damaged very quickly. Because of that I am going to replace this one with another one. Now I am going to replace this roller. Now this one also is making loud noise. Because of that I am going to replace this one also. I remove the lock already. Now I am going to replace this roller. This one it's okay, new one, and I can replace this one here. This shaft also okay, no issue. Now see, it's not making any noise, abnormal noise. I can use this one. Now I have to fix lock here. Now it's okay. Now we can fix the dryer, drum, everything. Now we have to only refix all the items. Now I already fixed drum mount. Here rollers, two rollers also okay. Now I have to refix. Now it's okay. Dry duct also, heater, everything I fix. Now I have to fix only drum only. Drum, before fixing we have to keep belt here. Now it's okay. Now before fixing other parts, we have to fix the belt. We belt with the pulley, adjustable pulley. It's okay, I already fixed with the adjustable pulley and belt. Should be like that. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix front panel. Here also I fixed already one wheel. Now it's not making any abnormal noise. Now we have to fix like that. And it's we have to fix already. Now it's okay here also. Here only. I see. Now you already fixed already. Now I have to fix screws only. Now do. And this will be. This will be done. Oh, hey, come. Ada mana itu? Ini oke lagi. Now I already fixed the drum mount here. Now it's okay. Now this one touching, that's why it's making noise. Now finally I'm going to fix the blower duct and slide that. It will come here. Yes. Okay. Here it's lock coming. This one we have to fix properly, otherwise it's not seating properly. Here also same. Now it's okay. Now we can fix the door finally. Now we have to fix door here. And now before fixing door, we have to give connector, door lock connector. Now here 2 screws will come. Okay. Now I can fix panel here. Now we have to give all the connections, two connections only. This connection should be here. Okay. And now we can fix. Now we can fix. We have to fix two screws here and top, two sides and top. Okay. Now also the two screws. Okay. Now it's all finished. Fixing now we can check. Only have to fix bottom there. And now I already given power connection. Now I'm going to select high temperature 10 minutes. Now machine is start already. You can see here. No any abnormal noise. Machine is running very smoothly. Now again I'm selecting. No any noise. No any abnormal noise. Our job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video shortly.